July 2021. We have Kivivuorenkuja Stenvägsgrunden 4 staircase G here in Martinlaakso, modernized Länsi-Vantaa, Västra-Vantaa, here in Helsinki and Coast region, Finland, with 7 floors. And look at this. This elevator has this call button as arrow from 1980s type Schlieren button. That's interesting. This is built in 1970 by ValmetSchlieren. They're 50 years old in last year, 2020. The serial numbers VS 2228. The first 5 staircases were built in 1969. And they started constructing here from late 1968. They finished it in early 1970. The capacity is 3 per 2.5 grams and will be inspected this year, 2021. Let's try it. This one is wrong, also should be K.
Yeah.
Level.
Inspectief pakje wijzigd. Meteen bij Siller.
Select your street level. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch all the other staircases in this residential building and also let's take its H when we get there soon.
That's